So, quick video on how to do these energy suspension sway bar link bushings. Super easy. You know, you really can't get them in there. I tried with a press. I tried all kinds of things. Couldn't get them in there. So this is what I did. Bolt here. Bolt through it like this. All greased up already. Okay. Put that there. Got a bigger washer. Put all that in. This nut right here. Tighten this down. Get a little bit snug on there like that. And just gonna easy peasy lemon squeezy.